Click on the link below to get price. The WEN Super Quiet 2350-watt portable inverter generator is designed for individuals seeking a reliable power source for various applications, whether for outdoor activities, emergency backup, or DIY projects. With an emphasis on quiet operation and efficient performance, this generator aims to provide a convenient solution for those in need of portable energy. At the core of the WEN generator is its 2350-watt output, which is sufficient to power multiple devices simultaneously. This makes it suitable for powering appliances such as refrigerators, televisions, and lights, or for charging tools and electronics during outdoor excursions. One noteworthy feature is its inverter technology, which produces clean and stable power suited for sensitive electronics, reducing the risk of damage when in use. The generator boasts a notably quiet operation, with sound levels comparable to that of a normal conversation. This quality makes it appealing for camping trips or tailgating events, where noise regulation is often a concern. Users can enjoy their surroundings without the disruptive hum typically associated with traditional generators. One practical aspect of the WEN portable generator is its fuel shutoff feature. This automatically turns off the fuel supply when the generator is not in use, effectively preventing fuel stagnation and preserving the lifespan of the engine. Such considerations can be particularly beneficial for users who may not operate the generator frequently. Weighing in at just under 50 pounds, the WEN generator includes built-in handles, which facilitate easy transport and setup. This feature is particularly advantageous for those who require mobility, whether for recreational purposes or emergency situations. Additionally, the generator includes multiple outlets, offering versatility in the types of devices that can be connected. Using the WEN Super Quiet 2350-watt portable inverter generator is straightforward. With simple controls and an easy-to-read display, users of varying experience levels can operate it without confusion. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and air filter cleaning, can help ensure optimal performance over time. In summary, the WEN Super Quiet 2350-watt portable inverter generator presents a practical solution for individuals in search of a portable power source. Its combination of quiet operation, inverter technology, and user-friendly features makes it a thoughtful option for a variety of applications. Whether for outdoor adventures or emergency use, this generator offers a reliable energy solution without overwhelming noise or complexity.